I'm Kelly. Welcome to apartment 8. This is...
Hi, I'm Ella.
I'm Una.
I'm Charlotte.
We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 6-person apartment. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is our living room and our common area. So over here we have our 3 couches and our TV. We have friends here all the time. We just hang out, talk, late night, deep combos. This is my favorite couch over here. And then over here we have our dining table where we have some dinner parties, but we also study and hang out here as well. Okay, so now we're in our kitchen. It's a pretty spacious place, perfect for 6 people. We come together at night to cook some meals. We sit around the kitchen table and chat. Tonight we made some chicken, couscous, and peas. Adulting, our favorite thing. You can go to Carrefour, which is right up the street. That's where we get all our groceries. Conad's pretty good too. Over here we have our washing machine. And something about Italy is that we don't have dryers, so you get a drying rack. So your clothes are a little stiff, but it does the job. And then over here we have our trash can, recycling and compost bins. Italy is very conscious of this, so make sure that you separate it correctly. Cardboard only goes out on Wednesdays, but we love it here. It's awesome. And then on either side of the kitchen we have 2 bathrooms, one over here and one over here. Okay, so we're in the first bathroom. This is the smaller of the 2. You have everything that you need in here: toilet, sink, shower. We have bidets as well, so you want to make sure you run those daily or weekly. We love it in here. It's awesome. Perfect for 6 people to have 2 bathrooms, so there's no cat fights over it. It's great. Okay, so this is the second bathroom out of the 2. This one is more spacious and bigger than the other one, but you have everything that you need just like the other. You have the sink, the toilet, the bidet, and a great shower with awesome water pressure.
So this is one of the bedrooms in the apartment. I share it with one other person, and it comes with a dresser and 2 wardrobes. We share these amongst each other, and we put our suitcases at the top so that everything fits. It also comes with a full-length mirror, which is great for getting ready, and 2 beautiful big windows that open up and get fresh air. One of the coolest features in this room is that it comes with a fresco on the ceiling, which is so nice to look at. And a fun fact about this building is that this palazzo is actually from the 1700s.
This is bedroom number 2. I share this with one other person, my roommate Kelly. That's her side, and this is my side. I've made sure to bring a lot of decoration to make it feel more like home. I have a very decorated room back home, so definitely want to bring that here. There's plenty of storage in this room, just like the other. We both have one side and a top cabinet, and we share this one in the middle. Every single day, I look out the window and feel so privileged that this is my view of these classic Italian buildings.
All right, welcome to the last bedroom. This one has really great lighting, so all the girls love to come in here and get ready before we go out or go out to dinner. We also have this really big closet. I love how different it is. I love the designs and I love the color. My roommate and I split it pretty evenly. And lastly, at our window, we have these beautiful Renaissance arches that I love to look at every single morning. Thanks for coming along on our tour of apartment 8. We hope to see you in Florence in the next coming years. Ciao!